What's going on, guys? Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be going over XRP and where I think it is heading next. Obviously, as you can see, currently in a downtrend, but we're going to go over everything in today's video. Just quickly before we start, I'm running a 7-day bootcamp. Basically what that includes 4 video modules. You have all the templates, you've got high probability setups, risk calculator, trading system, and entry strategy as well. So you've got all the videos. I go over all of my strategy, break it down, show you how I trade, teach you how to trade, and basically hold you accountable with all of the templates that you've got. You input stuff into templates, it works everything out for you, so it's all like automated. It's really, really good. So definitely go and check that out. I'll put the link in the video description. But yeah, let's get into today's video. Okay, so as you can see, currently on the daily time frame for XRP, now it's really not looking good if I'm being completely honest. We're below the EMAs. Obviously, we had this cross here. We haven't been able to basically cross back through it to the upside. Currently in a downtrend at the moment. So as you can see, we had a massive change of character. Came back up slightly, tried to break out, got rejected off the equilibrium, and continued to fall to the downside. So we really haven't been able to hold these support levels where we've bounced there, bounced here, bounced here. Obviously wicked through that one, then multiple bounces. Now we've fallen through it and we're continuing to the downside. So this is currently on the daily time frame. The RSI is currently oversold, has been for a while now as well. Let's jump into a smaller time frame and have a look to see if we can find an entry for XRP. Okay, so now the 4-hourly, currently on the 4-hourly chart, it's actually looking quite interesting, and I'll explain why. So if we look, we've got the EMAs, got blue EMA and the orange EMA here. We've had a change of character. We've fallen back through, but we have left a fair value gap there. We've got a small level of resistance here, like a bunch of sells, but it hasn't fallen too much, and we're basically in between. So I can see us moving sideways. What we have got is we got a fair value gap to the basically to downside, then one to the upside. So I can see us coming back down, faking out through the equilibrium slightly, filling the fair value, potentially using this as support, the equilibrium, and also the order block underneath it, and then continuing to the upside and breaking up past the EMA. So I am looking for a bounce in the short term. There's not going to be any big moves for XRP until we can really break above both the EMAs. However, on the 4-hourly, we are oversold. We do have a weak high, and we've got a strong low down here. So it's looking pretty good for a potential long. What I want to really do is just wait to see if we can use this really as support, the order block, the equilibrium, maybe come down, wick through, fill the fair value gap, and to the upside. So yeah, I think we just have to really sit on our hands just for the moment to wait for that solid entry on XRP. And then once we've got a confirmation, then we'll obviously make a move on XRP. And guys, there are some really good trading opportunities at the moment. The most important thing is not to try and smash out 5 to 10 trades a day. You just need to wait for it to come to your entry point where you're looking to enter, and then you need to take that trade. And I go over everything in the bootcamp and break it down, my strategy, what I look for. And patience is the most important thing. Any trader that you see that's doing 5 to 10 trades a day, or even like multiple trades every single week, they're not profitable. They can't be profitable because they're basically forcing trades. There's not that many opportunities in the market, and it's about identifying the opportunities when they come along so you can ultimately enter, and when the price comes down to where you're looking to enter. Okay, all of that I go through in the bootcamp. The link is in the video description. Definitely enrolled for the bootcamp. 7-day bootcamp has all the information you need to become profitable consistently in trading. So yeah, we're going to continue to keep my eyes on XRP, and going to do another updated video on the Bitcoin video that I did yesterday as well, probably tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.